Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we are looking at Munchkin Christmas Lite because it's Christmas time. This is put out by Steve Jackson Games for approximately 3 to 4 players. Takes about an hour, ages 10 and up. So, what is this? This is Munchkin, but Munchkin Lite, obviously. Seems pretty self-explanatory. If you've played Munchkin, this is a simplified version to get non-hardcore players into playing. Low price, learn to play, it says. So this one has a Christmas theme, obviously. And on the back it says all you need is a way to track from levels 1 to 10. And you also need a 6-sided die. So a D10 and a D6 would work just fine, or a sheet of paper to track it, and a D6, which D6s are pretty easy to come by. This was published in 2015. This is the first edition, first print. So I don't think there's been any changes since then, but, you know, just in case. And it retailed for originally $9.95. So let's open this and see what's inside. It's a pretty straightforward game. This is the simplified version. And it does have a holiday theme. Alright, so we've got 2 little decks and a sheet of paper. Alright, our sheet of papers are rules, which I hate these foldouts with a burning passion of 1,000 suns. And it's just how to play. It's got the same goofy art, same general overview of what you're supposed to do. It's not an overly complicated game, but your non-gamer types might have a little bit of problem playing it. Now, if you bought this, because this is a couple years old now, if you bought this used, you'll want to make sure this is not ripped or damaged in any way, if possible. Alright, so we've got 2 decks here. We're going to start with this one, because it said so. If I can get the plastic off. Alright, so as you can see, these all have a little door on them. So let's flip these over and see what we've got. Alright, so let's see what we got here. We've got a level 6 lawyer. We've got a bear claws. 2 treasures level 6. A level 4 snails on speed. -2 to running away. A level 4 leprechaun. Level 4 harpies. Level 3 subordinate claws. If you have a helper, the helper's level counts double. Interns apply here. Cute. Bad stuff. The main player loses a level. Helpers get away automatically. Level 3 pack rat. Level 3 gnome in the home. +3 against elves. Level 2 pit bull. Level 2 large angry chicken. Level 2 kissing auntie. Level 1 potted plant. Level 1 lame goblin. Level 1 green army men. Level 1 Evan a mouse. Even a mouse, get it. Level 1 Christmas ham. An orc. Very festive. Another orc, but a different picture and text. A halfling. A different halfling. An elf. A different elf. A wizard! A different wizard. Warrior. Different warrior. Thief. Thief. A bard. These are class cards, obviously. A different bard. Intelligent, +5 to monster. Baby, -5 to monster. Humongous. Plus 10 to monster. Play during any combat. If the monster is defeated, draw 2 extra treasures. Alright, we got Ancient. Plus 10 to monster. Holiday Buffet. Nice. Wandering Monster. Wandering Monster. Different. Nice. A different nice. A naughty. A different naughty. Curse year-round caroling. Curse ye old holiday belch. Gross. Curse should have cleaned your chimney. Curse season of giving. Curse poor workmanship. Curse one size fits nobody. Lose your armor. Curse kale cookies. Oh, gross. Lose a level. Curse fake snow. Curse everything's closed. Curse claustrophobia. Curse Christmas Eves. Curse broken snowshoes. Curse brisk breeze. Curse batteries not included. Curse ate too much fruitcake. And lastly, cheat. Play this card with an item card you have in play, or when you play an item card from your hand. This item is legal for you to use, even if it otherwise would not be. Discard this card when you lose, sell, etc. the attached item. Alright. So that is all of that deck. Let's see what's in this one. Ah, cellophane. Alright. These do have like the treasure thing on them. Oh. Looks like there's some more of these in here at the bottom. Let's see what these are. Level 20 Manta Claus. Level 18 Secret Santa. Level 16 Hippogriff. Level 15 Frost Giant. Level 14 Insurance Salesman. Level 13 Bipolar Bear. Level 12 Bad King Wencelas. Plus 3 against orcs. Level 10 Salvation Army. Level 10 Net Troll. Level 8 Ghoul Fiends. Level 8 Gazebo. And lastly, level 6 Pikachu. Or Pukachu. It's a because it pukes. Ah! Alright, funny. Let's get those out of the way and focus on these treasure looking cards. Alright, those were red border. These are green border. Wine at the GM. Use all your Christmas lights. Unnecessary roughness. Switch character sheets. Successful shopping trip. Holiday cheer. Help the needy. Eat Santa's cookies. Duck the halls. Bribe GM with food. +4 bonus snowboard. Snow cap, also +4. +4 monster repellent socks. +3 snow shovel. +3 Christmas spirit. +3 snowsuit. +3 pile of wrapping paper. +3 old long sign. +2 unfortunate sweater. +2 buckler of swashing. +2 boots of butt kicking. +2 ski pole. +2 licorice whip. +1 short sword. +1 baby beanie. A yellow snowball. Oh, gross. pretty balloons, tinfoil hat, sandals of protection, a wishing ring, a different image on a wishing ring, a magic lamp, yeah, loaded die, instant wall, special snowflake, jingle bell rock, friendship potion, Christmas coral, black ice potion, special holiday blend, sleep potion, cranberry sauce, wand of dowsing, and lastly, help the greedy. Alright, so the pictures are cute, very humorous, obviously not a serious game. Card quality's good. They're a little thinner than I would like them to be, but they're not bad. They're at least average. The mechanics look very simple. If you've ever done any role playing, you shouldn't have any problem. Newbies and non-gamers might have a little bit of trouble with some of the rules, but it seems pretty straightforward. Overall, it looks like a great simplified version of Munchkin. I would have to say that it's probably not going to be that much fun for people that have never played Munchkin or are not familiar with non-traditional types of games. So if you've got a bunch of normies sitting around a table, you might want to just stick with something they're going to understand. But if you've got some open-minded, sober people that are not dumb, this would probably be pretty fun. I like the holiday theme of it. I think that's pretty cute. And it makes it a lot easier to get people to play, you know, around a big dinner table, because you'll have a captive audience at holiday time. Yeah, overall, I think it looks pretty good. For $10, it's a cute little game. You could get the regular Munchkin game for $20 to $30, depending on where you buy it and when. I mean, those are available at Walmart. I ordered this, I think I got it on Amazon. And I'm going to keep this one and bust it out during holidays. I'm sure you can find some people to play. It's simple enough for 10 and up, but you know, it'll seem a little foreign to people that aren't normal gamer types. But this is definitely a great intro to Munchkin and something other than like Monopoly or other traditional board games. So board games have really come a long way, and so have card games. These type of card games are very popular right now. So getting people to play this one opens up a whole plethora of other things they can play then. But that'll do it for this episode. I really like this one. Thanks for watching as always, and we hope to see you on the next episode of What's Inside.